Hey everyone, I'm here in the peony house at Groovy Plants Ranch just days before we move everything out for our Peony Palooza, our celebration of all things peonies. So today, I wanted to share with you my favorite part of the Peony Palooza, and that is the Itoh peonies. So we offer 3 different kinds of peonies during the Peony Palooza, but Itohs are by far my favorite. They're exceptional plants. Let's dig into them a little bit, and I'll tell you about some of our featured varieties for the Peony Palooza starting this Friday. My first pick is Peony Bartzella. Bartzella is a big yellow blooming Itoh peony, meaning Itoh peony means that they are actually a hybrid between standard garden peonies and tree peonies, and you can see they form a thick trunk, but they don't get as tall as a tree peony. They are exceptional bloomers, and many of these are already budded. Bartzella is a gorgeous example of a yellow flowered Itoh peony. My next pick is Jester. Look how big and full these Itoh peonies are. You can tell that they're a lot more vigorous than the standard garden peonies. Jester has a really cool kind of coral magenta bicolored flower. It is a very showy plant. Now these plants, all of the peonies for the Peony Palooza are up to 3 years old. So you're getting large, multi-stemmed, garden-ready plants. So Itoh peonies came about through years of breeding from Mr. Itoh in Japan and his lifelong goal of developing a hybrid between garden peonies and tree peonies. And you can see the fruit of his labor here. Sadly, Dr. Itoh passed away before he was able to ever see his hybrids bloom, but his work is loved all over the world. These were first introduced to the US in the 1960s, and they stand today as some of the finest examples of peonies in the world. Here we have all that jazz, and look how nice and full this is. That is a big, beautiful plant. When we first set out to do the Peony Palooza, peonies were not exactly the most popular plant in horticulture, but we thought, you know what, they are amazing plants, they're underappreciated. We need to do something great with them. Plus, they're legacy plants, they're generational. So we set aside a whole weekend and a lot of growing space to feature peonies because we know they're amazing, long-lived plants that are going to be cherished for generations. And what a great investment too. And the Itoh peonies, they are a little bit more expensive than the rest, but their bloom time is longer, their blooms are bigger, and they're a more substantial plant in the garden. Now that's not to take away from the many wonderful garden peonies that we'll be offering during the Peony Palooza too, because some of those varieties are absolute standouts. So join us for the Peony Palooza starting this Friday, March 20th, running through the weekend as we officially release to the public all of these amazing peonies that we've put so much time into. We're excited to share them with you. They look better this year than they've ever looked. We have a new greenhouse we've been growing them in, and we're just absolutely thrilled with the quality of these plants. You're gonna love them, and people are gonna love them for generations. That's what we like to think about, is how many little bits of joy we're putting out into the world for years and years and years just through a simple thing like peonies. Join us for the Peony Palooza. We can't wait to see you.